It was supposed to be a quiet night before battle, but fate had other plans. This is the story of how an army lost, not by fighting, but because of snoring. Meet Henry, a soldier whose snoring could wake the dead. That night, his snores echoed so loudly, the enemy thought it was an ambush. The enemy fled before the battle even began, leaving their supplies behind. Henry's snoring had saved the day. And as for Henry, he became a hero. His snore was now a weapon of legend. Victory doesn't always come from swords, sometimes it's just about making some noise.